ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಟೈರ್ಸು ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಚೀಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ರೈಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೈರ್ ಏರ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಚೀಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. So we present to you AGARO portable Tyre Inflator. This model is the Galaxy model and this costs around 2,299. It's easily available on Blinkit as well. So you can use your simple pay and get around 15% off. So you can get this product for around 2,200. So yeah, let's not waste much time and let's get into the unboxing. Okay, the first and foremost thing is the whole the adapter thing. Let us see what and all is there inside. So here there is a port for putting in the tube/wire. This can directly go inside here, and based on what you want to fill the air in, you can get the thing attached to this, or if you want to use directly to the bikes or car or even cycle, this works directly as well. And we have our air dissipator here, so if sometimes when it becomes very hot, the air easily comes out of this. And let's turn this on and let's show you what's there inside in terms of the software. You just have to hold the thing for around 3 seconds and then it gets turned on. Yeah, there are around 4 modes. The stock mode is irrespective of whatever the machinery you're trying to fill the air in, and the second one is the car one. By default, when you switch the mode, it'll show you how much is the default PSI. So see, for the bicycles, this is a bike is around 45, and for the bicycle it's around 32, and then for a ball it's around 8. And apart from this, you have a little unique thing here. You get a flashlight. If you want to get your air checked in the night and there's not much light, you can turn on the flashlight here. And there's also like a flashlight module here. This is like a warning sign. You can use this as well in the night in terms of puncture and there's not much enough light. It's letting others know that you're getting your tires checked. This can be actually a multiple use as well, because there is a USB port here. If there's a full battery here in your module, so you can directly use this USB cable to charge your phone as well. So this will function as a power bank too. Okay, so let's see what and all is given along with it. They gave a USB Type-C wire, which can be used for charging. Yeah, remember guys, this is a C-type charging port, and you can directly plug it inside. And I suggest you use not such a big block. I think a lower wattage block I think would be advisable, because those bigger blocks have too much power supply and it might end up messing the inside circuit board. What else is there inside? There are around 4 different additions to the tube here. Tube, I don't know what this is called, an extension wire. To what you want to fill the air in, you can change the extension here. I think pretty much that's it. And they have given a cute carry pouch, so that this fits in easily, and you can just carry this around, because you don't need anything extra apart from this to fill air in your bike or your car or whatever. And very important, there is 1 year warranty for this product, irrespective of where you buy it from, but you can extend it to even 6 more months by scanning the QR code here and then registering on the website. So remember, you get 1.5 years of warranty on this. Okay, so before we sum up the video, let us try filling in the air in my basketball using this extension that they've given. Okay, so I've finished screwing this inside, and all you have to do is just get this thing inside and lock it properly till it is completely screwed in. Okay, and once this is done, let's hold this for 3 seconds and it's on. And let's turn on the mode of ball. It's already on, but yeah, again 8 psi. And so I am gonna look for the hole and then just insert it, plug it in full inside, and then let's on it. that's it, folks. This was a small review of the AGARO Galaxy model air tire inflator. I'm gonna put in the description below the link to the product. You can buy it from there as well, or you can, if you are a very impatient person and you don't want to wait for a very long time, you can order it on Blinkit and get it in 10 minutes. Until then, see you in another video. Keep supporting whatever I'm trying to put out on my channel, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.